Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to make Wetransfer link to send a file. Wetransfer is very convenient to use as it offers digital space for you to add files and share the link with other people. So using it super easy and simple, you have to go to the browser and there you have to search for Wetransfer. Then you have to go with this first link. As you click onto it, then you will get onto its website. Once you get to its website, first you have to get to accept all of its terms and conditions. Then you will go to this section. Here either you can upload a file or the whole folder. It's up to you. Just simply click onto it and from your system select the file or the folder you want to send. Once you have uploaded your file or folder, then you have to add the email address of the person to which you would like to send this file or folder. Simply type or copy paste the email address of the receiver, and after that you have to add your email address as well. If you have already done the login, then it would not ask you for your email address, but now it will ask. Then if you would like to rename your file or folder, you can do it there. And if you would like to send any message or any sort of instruction within that share, you can also type it here. One thing more, if you have the free plan, then you have the option to keep your file or folder only for 1 day or 3 day. But if you have its pro version, then the file will always be there. Also, if you don't want to send the email but you want to share the link, then you have to click on this option, share link. Then you will get the link that you can share to any person. After that, you can manage the access. If you go for restriction, then only selected people will get it. After that, you just have to simply do a quick login with your email address. Then it will start preparing the transfer. This will just take a while, and after that it will finalize it, and then you will get a link that you can copy and can send it to any person of your choice. So that's how you can get the WeTransfer link to share the file. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.